Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you one website that is National Career Service from the Ministry of Labor and Employment. So from this website, you can able to access the state-wise teaching or else the non-teaching jobs, guys. Okay. So here the different states are mentioned on the screen here. So from all these states, whatever the state you belongs to or else whatever the state you don't belongs to, okay, you may search out what are the different teaching as well as the non-teaching jobs are there, and I will show you in this video how to access the jobs from the different states, guys. Okay. And if you feel once it is useful, then please don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, because so many people are looking for the jobs in this pandemic situation, so really it will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon, and please give me one like also, guys, after completion of this video. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is the official website of National Career Service, Ministry of Labor and Employment, Government of India. So here you can check down the different states and union territories. Okay. So as per your state wise, you can check the teaching, I mean you can search for the teaching as well as the non-teaching jobs, guys. So for example, I'm going to show you. So if you belongs to Chhattisgarh, or else if you want to look for the jobs from the in the Chhattisgarh and you belongs to any one of these other states, then just click on this one, and then it is going to show you whatever the different vacancies are there in the Chhattisgarh. Okay, right now, see guys, officer, okay, and radiology and retail executive, okay, retail sales executive and brand management sales representative, customer sales associative, chartered accounts, fine. So it is like this. It is going to show you the number of vacancies in the Chhattisgarh, guys. For example, if you are looking only for the teaching job notifications, then you just type here the teaching or else the teacher. Okay, teaching or else the teacher. Use these keywords, guys. Then automatically will be directed to the whatever the different teaching jobs are there. Okay, you will be directed. See, guys, biology teacher for class 9, mathematics teacher for class 9 and 10, chemistry teacher, physics teacher, geography, okay, history and Sanskrit and Hindi, English, like that. Okay, so these are the different job notifications present in the Chhattisgarh regarding the teaching jobs, guys. So for example, if you want to see the details regarding this one, just click on the read more here, and then you will be clearly go through the educational qualifications, experiences, etc., you can get from this one. Okay, and you may check down here, the salary is not specified, guys, but something salary you will get. Okay, number of openings are 10, posted date is 28th May 2021 and the last date is 30th June 2021, and here the company name is represented Chaukamba. Okay, and biology teacher for class 9 and 10. So minimum qualification required postgraduate, BSc Bachelor of Science in Chemistry, and desired PG qualification, MSc Master of Science Chemistry. Okay, so actually these are the qualifications mentioned, and the experience 3 to 10 years, and the job locations are also mentioned here. Okay, you may check down, and key skills teaching biology, fine, and contractual. So gender preferences any, there is no male or the female. Okay, any gender can apply for this one, and the categories are mentioned. Coming to the age preferences, age between 25 to 40 years, date of birth preference, okay, person name as well as the email ID is given here, guys. So if you want to contact them personally, then you may contact them through this provided email ID. Okay, or else if you want to apply through this National Career Service website, then click on this apply button. But what will happen is that you have to register with the NCS, guys. Okay, you have to register with the National Career Service website. So if you are already having the username and password, just type both these two and then click on the sign in. Or else if you are the new user, just click on the new user and then it will ask you few details, guys. If you fill up all these details, register as a job seeker, first name, middle name, last name, gender, okay, what is the unique identification, whether PAN card or Aadhaar card, okay, you have to fill up all these details and then click on the submit button. Then you will be provided with the username and the password after completion of all your registration process. and by using the username and password you can apply for the jobs whatever I shown you right now. Okay, so like that you can able to search the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies also in your home state. Okay, or else if you belongs to one state and residing in another state, then also no problem guys. Okay, you may search out any state here. Okay, from this National Career Service website. Okay, so like that whatever the state you belongs to. So right now I shown you the Chhattisgarh. Okay, so like that here see guys, Chandigarh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Meghalaya, Andhra Pradesh, okay, Haryana, Kerala, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, fine, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Himachal Pradesh. For example, if you want to search out for in the Maharashtra, okay, then click on that one. So if you click on that one, then it is going to show you the different number of vacancies. It might be teaching or else it might be non-teaching. Why? Because all of you might be having the graduation or the post-graduation, right? Then you must be ready to do the teaching jobs or else the your comfortable jobs, that is non-teaching jobs also. So if you are looking for a job, okay, then prefer the teaching or else the non-teaching jobs as per your qualification mentioned. Okay, so for example here, graduate fresher assistant process engineer. Okay, this job is there from the Cassius Technologies Private Limited in Maharashtra. Okay, so if you want to check out the details, just click on the more, then you will be directed like this guys. So the educational qualification is mentioned, BTech in process engineering from recognized technology or board, diploma, okay, something is mentioned. And here the number of openings are 254. The last date to apply is not mentioned, but it is posted on 26 June 2021. Okay, so no problem, you may apply guys if you belongs to these qualifications. The salary is also mentioned, 58,790 to 78,450 rupees per month. Okay, minimum qualification required is diploma after 12th. Okay, and the total experience is not required. Nature of job is full time. The salary and the general preference mail is given. Okay, number of openings are 254. Just click on the apply button, and then just first register with the National Career Service website, and then you can apply for the any job through this website. Okay, or else whenever the company's email ID or the person name or the contact number is mentioned, in that case you may directly contact the company, no problem. Okay, so like that maintenance technician and the telecaller. Okay, as a telecaller you can earn like this guys, 1,20,000 to 1,44,000 rupees per annum. Fine, so you may check down here. So what are the job descriptions, what is the minimum requirements? Okay, and here the any graduate, okay, any graduate you may apply for this one. You will get monthly 10,000 to 12,000 guys. Okay, so it is a really very good amount to the candidates who are looking for the jobs in this pandemic situation, right? So like that, access the complete National Career Service website. Okay, whatever the state you belongs to. Okay, or else in your state, you if you did not find out your interested jobs, then go to the other state guys and then try to search out for your interesting jobs based upon the keywords or else based upon the going through the vacancies whatever they provide in the order. Okay guys, so I hope this video will be really helpful to the candidates who are looking for the jobs in this pandemic situation. So I am requesting you to please share this video to your friends or colleagues. It will be very much helpful to them. Okay, and to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys.
Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I'm Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with the doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay, so based upon all these things you may decide, and please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.